cute little cute little digital thermometer, wireless. Love it, love it. First things first, let's download the app that connects to the thermometer. Super quick and totally free. Once it's downloaded, just turn on the thermometer and sync it with the app via Bluetooth. It connects in just a few seconds. You are just gonna love it. Let me show you just a bit on how to connect. Hopefully this can help. Okay, this is the way it looks like. First thing, you download it, and after you download it, you can see it right to the left there. There it is. You choose that one. Then this thermometer should be turned on while you're doing that, while you're doing the download. I'll click on it. I'm just gonna put it this way, so you can pretty much, when you go here, it will show a list of different, it will show the list when I cook chicken, beef, fish, everything is here. And I'm gonna cook beef, so I'm gonna go to the beef. Can you see? Gonna go to the beef sign, right? When you're at the beef, the target internal temperature of the beef should be about 160. It's already saying it there. So we are gonna make some beef. So let's get ready to do that. On now, and I'm going to start by inserting the probe in here. Make sure you stop. There's a line here that shows you where to stop. So you just insert it. It has to be like the thickest part of the beef. So we already set it at the temperature. So I'm ready to put it in the grill. You can see the probe there. Shut it. Remember, the thermometer and the phone are on at the same time. Now it's 76, and remember the target is 160. Truly amazing. Look at that. The temperature is going up on my phone. Unbelievable. I'm having fun with it. Now it's 88. Supposed to go to 160, so it means the beef is still cooking. Oh, nice. Look at how you can just cook the beef. You can pretty much go inside the house, do whatever you gotta do while this is cooking, because when it's ready, it will alert you. Well, there you go. And there it is. You can see it sitting right next to the grill. It shouldn't be too far at all. Close. 104. See, my phone also is going up, showing 112. Get in there. Get in there slowly. Slowly get in there. Oh, so interesting. Yep. It's 150. Look at the phone. The phone, 151. Amazing. 152. Almost there. You hear that? It's 160. 160. That's the target temperature, internal temperature. Show you how they are both going on at the same time. Somebody's calling me, but I needed to show that. 165 or 166. So ready. I'm gonna take it out in a bit. Yeah, so there it is. I'm going to take the beef out. It's ready. 160. This is so exciting. So there it is. Take it out. Doesn't it look juicy? Hence, because it's still very hot, the best thing is just, I'm gonna take it off. Okay, and just put it aside because you got it's so easy to clean. You're gonna clean it or put it in the dishwasher. This is how it should be. Juicy, nice